Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. So if you have some outdated candle holders such as this one right here, this is one of mine and I've had it in storage for a while. And so I want to turn this into a fall centerpiece. So I'm going to start off by just giving it a few coats of some of this spray paint. This is a satin finish and this is in the color Silk Ivory. And you can use any color. This is just some spray paint that I also had left over from another project. Okay, so this is how it turned out once I spray painted it, and now it's nice and dry. And as you can see, it gave it a totally different look. Now here's an alternative in case you don't have a tall candle holder. You can use these two Dollar Tree candle holders and then just stack them like this, hot glue them, and then you'll have a taller candle holder instead of those short ones. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is take this sanding block and just sand off some areas on my candle holder. So what I want to do is I wanted to give it a little bit of a distressed look. By the way, if you like this sort of content and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Also, if you like to see videos on TikTok, I also have a TikTok and it's called Belinda's DIYs, where I also upload videos like these. All right, so next I'm going to be adding these round floral foams to the top of the candle holder. Now the reason there's two is because I couldn't find just one round one that was thick enough for what I was needing. So I need the foam to be centered right at the top of my candle holder. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark off where I need to, and then just add some hot glue and then place my candle holder over it. And now I'm going to add the second foam. And so here I'm just showing you the fall bouquets that are at Dollar Tree right now, and I'll be using these around my foam. And now I'm just going to take my $3 pumpkin from Dollar Tree and place it at the top of the candle holder. Well, that's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.